Hi everyone and welcome today with me. Let's make sure my video is working. Yeah, today I want to share with you very easy lunch, very super easy for today. This is tilapia fish, so it's clean, everything okay. Sometimes you don't need to clean this. So this is one way of the too many ways you can cook tilapia, but this is an easy way. A long time ago how we cooked tilapia without frying all this stuff. So really you would love this. I know you would love this tilapia. So many people, they don't like fish, but if you try too many ways how you cook fish, you might like it, I mean. So that's it. As you can see, we're not gonna, this is like very nice, like a decor. Already wash it, or I clean it, whatever you can say. Get rid of those, not too much with the scissor. Today I have two fish. You can see, as you can see, get rid of this kind of wing, or whatever. And I just get rid of those. Little strong, these things, so be careful with the scissor or whatever you have as a knife. If you do not want to cut really those, you can have them, you can leave them, it's no big deal. So tilapia has a little bit wings and whatever is there, whatever those things they call them. That's it. So I'm gonna rest them again a little bit, not so much. It's like this. That's it. Little. Oops. I will. It's just my garlic. Mimi, go over there, Mimi, please. You smell fish, huh? So I have two pieces here. I have one potatoes, I have one lemon, I have here celery, I have some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. The garlic, you have to have it in a fish. So there is no choice with fish and garlic. You have to have fish. So you have to have a garlic. Here I already cleaned some cilantro and parsley mixed. Don't worry about these wings in here. It's okay. And then I have my garden paper, fresh paper. I love the green things goes with the fish. And you can see it's little baby sweet paper. Okay. And then I have 2 fresh tomatoes, as you can see again, my garden tomatoes. So because my garden fresh tomatoes, I don't waste the skin. So I will have just one. That's it. And I love jalapeno. Some of the things not necessary, but garlic and olive oil and things you have to. So I am having this for today. This pan or cake sheet, whatever you call it. It's whatever you want to put them. Even you have a big one, you can put them, as long as they're going to go in your oven. You pay attention for your stove or your oven size. Doesn't matter. I have this small one. So all I gotta do, start with celery. Put in here under the fish. Like this. So let's switch the pan. Now the pan, sorry. The cake sheet. Okay. Here is the little bit, and then here is my tomatoes. All I do, like, slice it. It's not this kind of fish. It's not even an hour in the oven. 45 minutes to hour. Okay, so I hope you can see good because I turn on the light. So this is what I do, like this. And all I gotta do, my fresh tomatoes, a little bit, If you don't have fresh tomatoes, just do the sauce tomatoes, just a little bit. If it's not, no need tomatoes at all. Just olive oil and salt, and that's it. Those lemon, they're gonna be in the fish stomach. Yeah. So, see this here? You gotta clean the fish here very good. So, this tilapia. Now all you're gonna do, have this juice on the fish like this, and then this is gonna be here with garlic. This, and close it. I think I made a mistake because this is small, so let me, this is small I believe for me, or maybe it's okay. Maybe it's okay. Let's see. So this way, and same thing to this. So here's this juice. So freaking good. Here the lemon juice, and don't worry about the seeds, because when it's cooked you would see it. No headache, no like too much work, no nothing. Easy in the pan without frying all this. So then the paper make a nice taste too. All you're gonna do down here, I forgot, do this in the stomach, otherwise put it in the mouth like this. Sorry fish, it is what it is, sorry. I don't know, I just don't want to see them like this, but this is life. Because if you have somebody with you doesn't want to have, you just leave it here, it will cook. So we can have a little bit more juice like this. Tilapia, this is perfect tilapia. Okay, wash my hand, and then wow, it's very, very good. So I did garlic, but I still have a garlic without salt. I love garlic, so I would put more garlic, a little bit, because with herbs it looks very nice with herbs. Okay, don't forget, because we have to have always we need a spice on the on top of the potatoes and the little tomatoes under that. So I did this little bit. You don't need this fish, by the way, no need onion, but just little bit onion, but you don't need onion for real, because fish never match for me. I don't know about it. I don't like to put onion in a fish, for real. So what else have left? By the way, if you do not have fresh tomatoes, all you're gonna do a sauce, tomato sauce like this, not too much. So like this. Why? Because it has a little bit basil and has I do not have oregano, by the way, otherwise it's good oregano in here too. So I like oregano like fresh. That's what I like. I don't have it fresh, so as long as maybe in the sauce it can give me more little taste. Now we're gonna put a little bit salt, not too much, because fish is sometimes salt. So if we're gonna put it just for the potatoes, and see how so easy, very easy, lunch, dinner, whatever it is, for an hour and you're done. So tilapia today, tilapia fish, because I have left, just garnished a little bit here, it's become so good, and a little bit here, a little bit garlic. That's it. So now we wrap it and we put in the oven like an hour. depends what the temperature, by the way. I put like 350 Fahrenheit, and it's like maybe 180 Celsius. Anyway, all you gotta do is check it. Look at it. It's cooked. That's it. Have to have a very good aluminium foil, very strong, and that's it for today, for this video or vlog, whatever you call it. So I will be back when my tilapia done, becomes delicious. Oops. I guess what? I forgot the main thing in this meal. Olive oil. There you go. I'm glad my husband said that he did. Oh, I forgot. I better go back. The main things is olive oil. This is the last olive oil, but it's okay, good enough. That's it. So, yeah. So I'll see you in a while. Okay. I have to make sure my video. Okay, my tilapia is done. As you can see, by the way, I did not say something like, oops. By the way, in 30 minutes, like when you put in the oven, you come back and move the aluminium for the fish tilapia dry. Do not leave the things aluminium folio, aluminium all the time. Now you have to have it for just a couple minutes, the first, and that's it. So this is my tilapia. Beautiful, cooked very good. So this is our project for today, and this is the video. Bon appetit. I hope you enjoy my tilapia. It looks beautiful, everything, and not even a half hour. I'll see you in your video.